Hi everyone, this is Cheryl and welcome to my sewing room. I'm going to demonstrate how to make this really easy pillow. Now I used just 2 different fabrics on this, but if you want to have different fabric on the back, you can do that also. I also used up some of my scrap fabrics to make this pillow. It won't take you very long at all, and it's a slip cover, so when it gets dirty you can take it off and wash it. Let's get started. Here's how much fabric you'll need. I recommend you use 2 or more fabrics. I just used 2. So out of the fabric A, which is the fabric you'll need the most of, you'll need about 2/3 of a yard. So cut 2 that are 11.5 by 16.5 inches. Cut 2 that are 3.5 inches by 16.5 inches. And then cut 2 3.5 inches by 10.5 inches. Fabric B, I recommend you just buy a fat quarter. That way you can easily get one 10.5 inch square out of it. And then of course you're going to need one 16-inch pillow form. I buy mine at Walmart because they're very reasonably priced there. Take your large square and place your 2 pieces for the side that are 3.5 inch wide by 10.5 inch and stitch 1/4 inch seam along here. Press these seams with your iron on the back side first to relax the stitches. Then unfold and press the seams on top, and I would push these seams right here toward the strips on the sides. Place the 2 3.5 inch wide by 16.5 inch long strips on each side. Stitch 1/4 inch seam along both of them. Then press your seams always on the back side first. Unfold and press on top, and you're pushing this seam towards the outside strips. On both of your pieces that are 11.5 inches by 16.5 inches, you're going to press this edge here, which is the 16.5 inch length side. Fold it over 1/4 inch and then press all the way across. Then after you've pressed the one side, fold it over again and press all the way down the full length of the strip. After pressing, stitch right along this edge here. And remember, you're doing that on both pieces on the 16.5 inch side. This is the front section of the pillow. Make sure it's front side up, the pretty side is up. Take one of your pieces that are 11.5 by 16.5 and place them front side down. And this is the edge that we just folded over and stitched. Make sure it's in that center section. Go ahead and place pins around these 3 edges here. Take the second piece for the back of the pillow and bring it front side down. And again, line it up on these 3 outer edges and place pins around the 3 sides. Stitch 1/4 inch seam around all 4 edges, and then back stitch over the areas where they overlap here and up here. At all 4 corners, you want to trim some of the corners off. So trim it down to where there's about 1/8 of an inch there. And again, do this at all 4 corners. Lift this up and begin turning it front side out. And then reach inside and poke the corners out. Lift up the flap and begin pushing the pillow inside. Now you'll probably have to squish it in together to get it all in there. Reach underneath and pull on the other flap and push the pillow down inside on the other side. And then just straighten out the flap and you're all done. For more pillow projects, play this video until a green screen appears and then click on the links. I hope this video was helpful to you. Now, if you like this video, please click on the old thumbs up button and also click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Then enter your email address and then click on the little bell so that you receive email notifications. If you're not receiving the email notifications, then you need to go to your cell phone or your iPad or tablet and go into settings, look for notifications button and push it to on. Then you'll start receiving the notifications. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. So glad you came to my sewing room. We'll see you next time and happy sewing.